fucking time. What the fuck is going on today? Y'all motherfuckers be switching. I need to go on my black card! The fuck, yo? You fucking blowing up. Fucking dumbass shit. Suck my dick. Fuck out of here. I'm fucking tired of y'all. The fuck? Hey, you better fuck that. You know about on that and put this shit on you. Fuck. That keep switching fucking bus for you. Think I got time for this shit? Nobody got time for this. You fucking bum. Fucking fat ass white piece of shit. Fuck you keep switching bus for this fucking too early for the fucking bum ass nigga. Another fucking bus like I got caught. Fucking being cold, niggas don't have time for this inconvenient shit at all. The fuck, like I gotta go all the way to 161, bro. Nobody got time for this. No one. It's 4 minutes. 4 minutes. That 4 minutes might have taken dumb fucking long. That 4 minutes could have brought me to fucking West Farms. Like, fucking bum ass bus drivers. This is I don't fucking like NYCT bus, bro. I don't like them. I do not like MTA, none of that. Fucking bum ass fucking bus. Keep fucking switching fucking buses. Like we got time to keep switching buses, bro. The fuck we look like? Fucking bus around Donkey or something? Fucking bum ass fucking bus driver. If you want to go to the same man, because if you send this or you go to another person, other thing that, you know. I knew he was gonna pull some funny shit once I see the fucking lights flicking on. Fucking flicking the lights for. Fucking bum ass.